Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today, we're going to solve another interesting math problem. The question is, 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals 192. We need to find the value of x. All right, let's solve this step by step. First, notice that all three terms are the same, 4 to the power x. So when we add them, it becomes 3 times 4 to the power x equals 192. Now, to isolate 4 to the power x, we divide both sides by 3. That gives us 4 to the power x equals 192 divided by 3, which is 64. Next, we can rewrite 64 as a power of 4. We know that 4 cubed equals 64. Since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. So x equals 3. Therefore, the final answer is x equals 3. That's how easily we can solve this kind of exponential equation. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tricks and problem-solving videos.